kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself, Mrs. Nazrina, taking Standard First Maths. Standard First Maths. Today we will discuss Chapter 2, Exercise 2D. It's in your page number 26. Page number 26. Write in increasing and decreasing order. Yes, already we have learned increasing and decreasing order. Yes. What do you mean by increasing order? Increasing, when the number will increase from small number to big number, that is increasing. Yes, when we write smaller to greater number, that is increasing order. We will arrange the numbers from small, increasing. When the number will increase from small number only, it will be going on increasing. So increasing order means writing the number from smaller number to greater number, smaller number to greater number. So write in increasing and decreasing. Both we should write. First we should write increasing order, and down we should write decreasing order. This also first increasing order, then decreasing order. Increasing means from smaller to greater number, smaller number to greater number. Decreasing, when the number will decrease from big number to small, it will decrease. Yes. Increase means it will increase like this, small to big. Decrease means from big to it will come down, it will decrease. So increasing order means arranging the numbers from smaller number to greater number. Decreasing means from greater number to smaller number, greater number to smaller number. So write in increasing and decreasing. These numbers first you should read. 19, 5, 7, 1, 6. Yes. In this, among this, which is the smallest number? Among this, which is the smallest number means when you say numbers, which number comes first? That is the small number. When you say numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, which number comes first? That is the smaller number. When you are writing numbers, which number you will say? You will write first 19, 5, 7, 1, 6. 1 we will write first. Yes. So 1 is the small number. 1 is the small number. Now 1 completed. We will go to next numbers. 19, 5, 7, 6. Among this, which is the next small number? 1. We will leave 1 because we completed 1. 19, 5, 7, 6. Among this, which is the small? Here 19 is a 2-digit number. Yes, 19 is a 2-digit number. That is greater number. 19 is a 2-digit number. So it is what? It is a greater number. 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. So now we will compare with 1 digits first. We should write small number. So we should compare with 1 digit now. 5, 7, 6. In this, which is a small? 5 is a small number. So we will write 5. Now 5 also completed. We have 7 and 6. Among these 7 and 6, which number comes first when you are writing numbers? 6 will come first. So 6 is the small number. 6 is the small number. After 6, 7. After 6, 7. Now 19 at last, greater number. This is increasing order, small number to greater number. Small number, arranging the number from smaller to greater. Now we should write decreasing for this, decreasing order also. Decreasing means big number to small. So here 19, 5, 7, 1, 6 we are. In this, which is the greater number? Yes, 19 is a 2-digit number. So 19 is a greater number. 19 is a 2-digit number. So 19 is the greater number. First we will write 19. Then now compare with 5, 7, 1, 6. Among this, which is greater? 5, 7, 1, 6. Which is greater? 7 is greater. Which is greater? 7. After 7, now 5, 1, 6 we are. Which is greater? 6 is greater. Then 5, 1. Which is greater? 5 is more. 1 is more. 5 is more. So 5. Then comes 1. See? 1, 5, 6, 7, 19. Here see 19, 7, 6, 5, 1. See, reverse of increasing and decreasing order are reversed. Yes, here we are writing smaller to greater, and next we are writing greater to smaller. Understood? First, which number comes when you are saying numbers? That is a greater number. That when you are writing numbers, which number comes first? That is the smaller number. That is the smaller number. 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. So when you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 1 comes first. So 1 is small, then 2. Then after 1 you will write 2. Then 3, then 4, then 5. So which numbers comes first? They are smaller numbers. Next 15, 18, 13, 17, 11. Here all are 2-digit numbers only. All numbers are 2-digit numbers only. Yes, 15, 18, 13, 17, 11. All are 2-digit numbers only. First we should write increasing order. Increase, how we will increase? From small to greater we will increase. So first, which is the small number among this? 13, 17, 11, 18, 15. Which is smaller? Yes, when you write numbers, 11 you will write first. After 10 we will write 11. After 10 we will write 11. So 11 is coming first in 2-digit numbers. Yes, so 11 we will write first. Now we finished with 11. We have 15, 18, 13, 17. How many we have? 15, 18, 13, 17. Among which is small? 30 is small. Now we have 15, 18, 17. Which is small? 15 is small. Then next we have 17 and 18. Which is small? 17 is small or 18 is small? 17 is small. Then at last 18. Last 18. This is the way of writing increasing order. Smaller. 11, 13, 15, 17, 18. Here the numbers are increased or not? Yes, the numbers are increased. First we wrote 11, then we wrote 13, then 15, then 17, then 18. Here the numbers are increased. Now we will write decreasing order. Decrease. How we will decrease? From big number only we will make it small and we will decrease it. So decreasing order means greater number to smaller number. So in this, which is the greater number? 15, 18, 13, 17, 11. Greater number means when you are writing numbers, which number comes last? That is the greater number. Yes, when you are writing 11 to 20, when you are writing 11 to 20, 20 is greater, then 19, then 18, then 17. Yes, so here 15, 18, 13, 17, 11. In this, which is greater? 18 is greater. After 18, which number we had? 17. Then we are left out with 15, 13, 11. We are left out with 15, 13, 11. Among this, which is greater? 15 is greater. Now we are left out with 13 and 11. Now we are left out with 13 and 11. In this, which is greater? 13 is greater. Then at last, 11. See here. 18, 17, 15, 13, 11. Here the numbers are decreased. Here the numbers are decreased. So it is decreasing order. First one, see, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18. Here the numbers are increasing. So it is increasing order. Then next, put the correct sign. Put the correct sign. Greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. Wherever we have greater number, the mouth should be open towards the great number. Wherever we have greater number, we have 2 digits here. Which is the greater digit? Mouth should be open towards the greater number. Mouth should be open towards the greater number. Now 5, 9. 5, 9. 5 is greater or 9 is greater? Yes, 9. 5 chocolates are more, 9 chocolates are more, 9 chocolates are more. So mouth should be open towards the greater number 9. Mouth should be open towards the, this is the mouth open. This is open mouth. This is closed mouth. Yes. So always the mouth should be open towards the greater number. So 5 and 9. 9 is greater, so mouth is open towards the greater number 9. And how we will read this? 5 is, yes, 5 is less than 9. 5 is less, yes or no? 5, here is greater number, so mouth is open towards the great number. 5 is small. 5 is less than 9. How we will read? 5 is less than 9. Now 1 to 12, 1, 0, 10. 1 to 12. 1, 0, 10. In this, which is greater? 12 or 10? Yes, 12 is greater. So mouth should be open towards the greater number. This is 12. Start from 12. 12 is greater. Start from 12. Mouth will be open towards the greater number 12. Now how you will read this? 12 is greater than 10. How you will read? 12 is greater than 10. Next, 19, 11. 19, 11. In this, among these two, 19 and 11, which is greater number? When you are writing numbers, you will write 11 first or 19 first? Yes, when we are writing numbers, we will write 11 first. That means 11 is smaller number. When you are writing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 you will write first. Then after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19 will come. So which number we are writing first? 11. So 11 is smaller than 19. So here 19, 11. 19 is greater. 19 is greater. So mouth will be open towards the greater number 19. And how you will read this? 19 is greater than 11. How you will read? 19 is greater than 11. Next, color the greatest number red and smallest number yellow. Here 4 numbers are given. Among these 4 numbers, which is the greatest, means which is the big number, we should color it red. And which is the smaller number, we should color yellow. We should color yellow. So take 2 color pencils, not crayons. Take 2 color pencils. Which colors? Red and yellow. Red and yellow. Red we will mark for red box. We will color for greater number. Yellow box we will color for smaller number. So first we will read the numbers. 2, 9, 6, 7. 2, 9, 6, 7. Among these numbers, which is the greater number? Which is the greater? 2, 9, 6, 7. Which is greater? 9 is greater. So 9 box you will color red. 9 box you will color red color. 9 box you will color red color. Understood? Like this you will color the full box. Color the full box red color. Then now greater number over red color. 2, 6, 7. Which is smaller? 2 is smaller. Which is smaller? 2 is smaller. So 2 yellow color. 2 box yellow color. Red color 9 box. Yellow color 2 box. So 9 is greater. 2 is smaller. 9 is greater. 2 is smaller among these 4 numbers. Next. 15, 11, 19, 12. 15, 1, 5, 15, 1, 1, 11, 1, 9, 19, 1, 2, 12. Among this, which is the greater number? Which is the big number? Yes, 19 is big. So 19 box you will color red. 19 box you will color red. Now leave 19 and remaining numbers we will read. 15, 11, 12. 15, 11, 12. So among this, which is the smallest number? 11 is the smallest number. 11 is the smallest number. So 11 box you will color yellow. 11 box you will color yellow. Now smallest number 11. So yellow. Greatest number 19. So red color. Understood children? These two, color it neatly. Full box you should color. Full box you should color with color pencil. Then write numbers to complete the number line. You can see a line here. On the line numbers are written. On the line numbers are written. So it is known as number line. You too, when you are drawing in your classwork, you will draw the line on the line. When you are drawing this number line, you will draw the line on the line. You will not draw the line between the lines. Suppose this is your single rule book. Don't draw the line like this in between. You draw the line on the line. Draw the line on the line and write the numbers below. Write the numbers below. Here this is known as number line. In this number line, few numbers are missing. Yes. Line on the line, numbers are marked. So it is known as number line. In this number line, few numbers are missing. You should write that numbers. In this number line, few numbers are missing. We should write the number to complete this number line. 0, 1, after that, after 1, 2, after 1, 2. Here we are increasing. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Then 3 after 3, 4. After 4, 5. 5 is already there. So what is missing after 5? 6. After 6, 7 is already given. Yes, after 7, 8. After 8, 9 and 10 is given. Is it clear? Now we completed the number line. Whichever number is missing in the number line, you should write the correct number. Read the before number and write the after number. Read the before number and write the after number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now it is correct, completed number line. Next one more we have. 0, 1. After 1, 0, 1. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5 is already given. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. After 8, 9. Then 10 is given. Now read 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now numbers are correct on the number line. These all you should write it first in your textbook. From your textbook, copy it in your classwork very neatly. Increasing order, decreasing order. Increasing order means writing the numbers from smaller number to greater number. Decreasing order means from greater number to smaller number. When you are writing numbers or when you are saying numbers, whichever number comes first, that is your smaller number. Yes. Now 12. Then 20. When you are writing number, which number comes first, 12 or 20? Yes, 12 comes first. So 12 is the smaller number than 20. So increasing order, decreasing order, second bit, third, color the boxes neatly and complete the number line. All this you will write it in your classwork first and textbook first, page number 26. Exercise 2D, complete it in your textbook. Then from your textbook, copy it in your classwork very neatly. Number line, draw on the line and finger space gap between each number. On the number lines, when you are writing numbers, you will put the finger and write. Finger space equal gap should be there between each the numbers. Understood, children? Do your work neatly, clearly, both in classwork and textbook. Thank you, children.